Go home happy with the 2020 Chevrolet Bolt EV. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Bolt EV, the sleek and affordable all-electric four-door hatchback with a long-range, surprisingly roomy interior, active safety features, nimble handling, and smart charging technology. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's hard to believe such a good-looking, road trip-friendly electric car is this affordable. Drive the Bolt EV.